Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Today I'm working on a portrait of myself because it's my birthday in a few days. On Thursday to be exact. Since my birthday does fall on a Thursday this year, and that's the day that I post my DIY videos, I thought that maybe I could do a special birthday DIY this year. But unfortunately, I started brainstorming ideas a little bit too late, so I didn't really have time to do anything like that. It's also kind of hard to top my mirror glaze cake that I made for my birthday cake a few years ago. That one was definitely my favorite, and I kind of wish that I had the time to make myself another one this year because it was so good. But anyway, since I couldn't really decide on a specific birthday DIY to do, I just decided for myself to do a project that I had been holding off on doing because I was a bit worried about how I would explain how to do it. Initially I wanted to approach it like a tutorial where I'm telling you guys how to make it, but I've never made something like that before, so I felt like I was kind of in the dark about it. So I finally decided that I would just do the video and then approach it in a way where I'm just kind of walking you guys through how I attempted to make this thing. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna let this video finish out with some music now. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you on my birthday. Bye!